welcome back to another video. So in today's video we are going to 3M Car Studio, which is located on Henno Road. So there we had given our 2025 Tata Nexon for the PPF and now it's ready. So yeah, we are going to pick up the car and I'll be showing you how the store looks and what they have done in the car. So by the way, they took around 3 days to do the PPF on the car, and they did 3M ceramic coating on the roof and the PPF on the other panels. So the PPF has a warranty of 7 years. So we have finally reached 3M Car Care Studio and the car is there. So this is how the studio looks. So the studio is quite good and they can fit around 6 to 7 cars in months. And yeah, this is how the car looks. So this is the car on which they have done the PPF. So they have done PPF on all the panels of the car, and they have done ceramic coating on the roof of the car. So now I'll show you the customer lounge. This is the customer lounge, and they have a lot of items kept over here. And they have a couch right over here, and they have and then this is how it looks from the interior basically. So right now they're doing the cleaning of the car, and let me just show you the view of the car, like how it looks after PPF. So they have done PPF on all these panels. They have done it everywhere, like they have done PPF here, not in the glass of course, and then on the mirror. And yeah, let me go to the back. They have done PPF here also, as you all are able to see. Yeah. So as you all are able to see, there are a few bubbles on the car. I think it's not that visible on the camera, but then according to them, these bubbles will go on itself after 15 days once the PPF settles down on the body of the car. And there's even a stretch mark over here. I think you're able to see this line kind of thing. So they have told that all these issues will be rectified in 15 days. Like, we have to not get the car to the studio on itself. The problems will be rectified. By the way, they have even done ceramic coating in the interior of the car. Like, they have done ceramic coating on this display where the Tata logo illuminates, and they have done ceramic coating on this part, the outlines basically, and on this glossy stuff. Basically, they have done a ceramic coating on all the glossy parts of the car, I mean the interior. In this studio, they do various works like ceramic coating, PPF. So here's a list of few of the things which they do. So now we are done with all the work over here, and now we are leaving this store. It was quite a great experience. So let's take the car out now.